Introduction. Saudi Arabia, officially known as the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, is a vast and influential country located on the Arabian Peninsula. With its capital in Riyadh, it boasts a population of approximately 34 million people, predominantly Arabic-speaking and practicing Islam. Saudi Arabia has been commonly referred to by its nickname, the Land of Two Holy Mosques. This nickname highlights the significance of two holy cities in Islam, Mecca and Medina, which are located within the country. Saudi Arabia plays a central role in the Muslim world. So, ang Saudi Arabia officially nga ginatawag nga Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, isa ka bahol kag impluwensyado nga pungsod sa Arabian Peninsula. Ang kapital kang Saudi Arabia ang ang Riyadh, kag may populasyon nga 34 million nga tawo. Karamihan sa lugar nga dyan may mga Arabo kag Muslim. Ginakilala dyan nga duta sang darawa ka banal moske bangod rin dyan ang Mecca kag Medina. Darawa nga pinakamalagang lugar sa Islam. Its economy, heavily reliant on oil exports, is undergoing transformation through the Vision 2030 initiative aiming for economic diversification and social reforms. Governed as an absolute monarchy, the country is known for its rich cultural heritage, conservative social norms, and recent stride in women's rights. The nation's geography encompasses deserts, mountains, and coastlines along the Red Sea and the Arabian Gulf. So, ang ekonomiya sa Saudi Arabia nagasandigid sa pagbaligya sang oil or lana, pero kadyan nag-uubra sila sang Vision 2030 nga programa agud mabag-o kag mag-diversify sang anda ekonomiya kag syudad. Monarkiya ang porma sang anda nga gobyerno. Kilala ang pungsod sa konserbatibo nga kultura, pero may mga bag-o na man nga reforma para sa kababaihan. Ang lugar da may desyerto, kabukiran kag baybayon sa Red Sea kag Arabian Gulf.
Brief history of Saudi Arabia police system. Saudi Arabia is a typical model of centralized coordinated police force with a singular line of command emanating from the king since its establishment in 1924. Both Minister of Interior and Director of Public Safety are appointed by the king, and both are usually senior members of the king family itself. The police, known as the Public Security Police, is responsible for general policing throughout the country and derives its authority from executive orders and the Sharia. Public Security Police is divided into regular police and Special Investigation Police or SIP, known as Mabahit. The police department of the Saudi Ministry of the Interior is divided into three forces: the regular police, the secret police, and the religious police. First, the regular police is directed under the control of Ministry of Interior and is run by Director of Public Safety. The Department of Public Safety is the official name of the regular police force and handles most day-to-day police activities. It is highly centralized force and is usually headed by a member of the royal family. Special Investigative Police or SIP works under the control of General Directorate of Investigation or GIP and is responsible for criminal investigations and manage domestic security and counterintelligence function. Ang sa may Special Investigative Police guys amo nang responsible for criminal investigation, which is under tana sa may regular police. Next, second, the Secret Police or Mabahit deals with domestic security and counterintelligence. It runs on the Ulaysha prison in Riyadh, where it holds its prisoners. The United Nations Working Group or Arbitrary Detention has objected to arbitrary detention by the Mabahit at Ulaysha. The third one is the religious police or Mutawaan or Mutawa is the name used for individual religious police, and the Committee for the Promotion of Virtue and the Prevention of Vice is the name of the police organization. Enforce Islamic codes of behavior numbering about 20,000 men and trained in law enforcement. The Mutawa ensure that there is strict separation of the sexes in public, that businesses close at prayer time, pressure women to wear traditional dress, and in some areas prevent them from driving cars. Often accompanied by a police escort, the Mutawa could order the detention and arrest of violators. And this is the logo of Public Security Police. Palm tree represent kingdom assets which are defined as each people, heritage, history, and resources natural and non-natural. The one eye symbolizes the equal treatment with one code of conduct implemented in this country. And the cross sword represent the kingdom of Hijaz and the Sultanate of Nijd and its dependencies which were united under LBN Sod in 1926 or strength, stamina, and sacrifice.
Ministry of Interior. The Ministry of Interior or MOI is one of the governmental bodies of Saudi Arabia, responsible for national security, naturalization, immigration, and customs in Saudi Arabia. It was founded in 1926 by King Abdulaziz, but the organization was reformed in 1951 when the combined ministerial body covering financial and interior affairs were separated. The current Minister of the Interior is Abdulaziz bin Saud Al Saud, has been in the office since 21 of June year 2017. So, this is the overview of the police system of Saudi Arabia. Their police agency is the General Directorate of the Public Security or JDPS under the Department of Ministry of Interior, with the highest rank of general and private is the lowest. The type of the law enforcement is centralized. Saudi Arabia police mandates. In Saudi Arabia, police mandates include preserving public order, promoting public health and safety, preventing and detecting crimes, and providing assistance to citizens. They also have administrative duties related to maintaining order and judicial functions related to reporting and investigation, as well as social functions related to crime prevention and citizen assistance. The police, including the religious police, are responsible for enforcing laws, including those related to Sharia and addressing regional crime like terrorism and drug trafficking. Their mission is supporting the main objectives of public security, breaking down barriers and eliminating the time and distance factor, implementing the principle of combating crime before it occurs, through which future crime indicators are monitored, relying on public security personnel to operate and maintain systems and everything related to various public security technologies. Their vision is to be the safest and the most secure Saudi society in the world through excellence in the field of internal security and public service throughout their kingdom, with the motto of security and safety for all.
Organizational chart. General Public Security, may 5 ka-assistant. Ang assistant for training, nagatipan sa pagbantay o training. Assistant for procurement and supplies, nagaasikaso sa pagbakal kag supplies. Assistant for security affairs, nagatipan sa mga issue sa seguridad. Assistant for planning and development, nagaplano kag nagauswag sa sistema. Assistant for administrative affairs, naga-manage sa mga administrative nga bulahaton. Administrative affairs. Budget administration, naga-manage sang kwarta. Documentation and Archive Center, nagaimpan sa mga dokumento. Studies and Research Center, Gobrasang Research, Office of PS Directors, Administration of Hajj and Umrah, nag-aasikaso sa mga biyahe para sa Hajj kag Umrah. Financial Administration, nagadara kang kwarta. Public Relation and Guidance, naga-communicate sa publiko. And Pensioners Affairs Administration, nagabulig sa mga retired. Medical Services Administration, nagatugro sa serbisyo pang medical. General Administration, Communication System, sistema sa mga communicate, security patrols, pamlakad sa mga pulis para sa seguridad, relations and media, pakigangot sa mga media, criminal evidence, pagkuha kang ebidensya para sa mga krimen, legal affairs, mga legal na burahaton. Then traffic, follow up, purchases and tenders, pagpalit kag bidding, projects and maintenance, and security and protection, seguridad kag protection. Forces, Hajj and Umrah Special Forces, mga espesyal nga pwersa para sa Hajj kag Umrah. Diplomatic Security Special Forces, protection sa mga diploma. Road Security Special Forces, seguridad sa karsada. And last is Emergency Special Forces, pwersa sa mga emerhensya. Then Police, mga police is Riyadh Police, Makkah Police, Medina Police, Eastern Province Police, Qasim Police, Ahel Police, Tabuk Police, Jasan Police, Najran Police, Asir Police, Al-Baha Police, Al-Job Police, Dertern Border Police.
Rank classification. Kung sa Philippine National Police, we have non-commissioned officers and commissioned officers. Sa may Public Security Police Tra, we have officers and enlisted. The highest rank is the General, then Lieutenant General, then Major General, then Brigadier General, Colonel, Lieutenant Colonel, Major, Captain, First Lieutenant, and Second Lieutenant. In the enlisted, we have the Sergeant Major, Master Sergeant, Sergeant First Class, Sergeant, Corporal or Specialist, and the Private. The highest rank is the General, and the lowest rank is the Private. For the rank insignia, rank displayed on epaulet and sleeve cuffs. Lower rank use chevrons, while higher ranks feature stars or crowns. The color and arrangement of these symbols indicate the officer's position in the hierarchy. For the uniform, the standard uniform consists of a khaki shirt and trouser for regular duty. Formal occasions call for a white shirt with dark green trousers. Desert patrol may wear camouflage patterns suitable for the terrain.
Saudi Arabia Police Force Governance. Number 1. Centralized structure. The Director of Public Safety is the apex authority controlling all police force in the country. The Director reports to the Minister of the Interior, indicating a clear chain of command within the government. These centralized structures ensures a unified approach to policing and security across the kingdom. Number 2. Key responsibilities. Under this is maintaining order. The police force is responsible for preserving public order, ensuring tranquility, and promoting the safety and well-being of the populace. Crime prevention and investigation. They actively prevent and investigate crimes, including dangerous murders, accidents, and traffic violations. Social functions. Behind law enforcement, the police also provide assistance to citizens and work to prevent crime. Number 3. Administrative units. The Director of Public Safety oversees two key administrative units, the Criminal Investigation Section and the Identification of Files Section. These units work to ensure efficient processing of cases and maintain accurate records of crime and investigation. Number 4. Special Forces and other entities. The Director also supervises various special forces including Special Operation, Emergency Services, and Civil Defense, ensuring a comprehensive response to security threats. The Secret Police or Mabahit deals with domestic security and counterintelligence. Number 5. Royal Decree and Islamic Law. While the Saudi legal system is based on Sharia law, the police also operates under royal decrees and regulations issued by the government. These decrees often address specific issues not covered by traditional Islamic law, such as traffic violations and industrial accidents.
Organization. Formerly General Directorate of Police are the civilian police force under the Ministry of Interior responsible for law enforcement in Saudi Arabia. So, ang Directorate of Police amo dya ang police nga civilian sa dalom sang Ministry of Interior nga may responsibilidad sa pagpatuman sang layi sa Saudi Arabia. General Directorate of Public Security. The police of Saudi Arabia are described in terms of their organization and training with emphasis on relationship between these factors and the administrative, judicial, and social function of law enforcement. So, ang mga pulis sa Saudi Arabia, ang ginalugway ang organizations kag training kag ginatagan kang bahol nga importansya ang relasyon sa administratibo, hustisya kag sosyal nga buluhaton sang pagpatuman sang layi. And si Mohan bin Abdullah Al-Basami amo dya ang importante nga leader o opisyal nga may papel sa amo dya nga ahensya. Number 1. Director General, the highest ranking position within the GTPS responsible for overall leadership, strategy, and policy direction. They report directly to the Minister of Interior. So, amo dya ang pinakataas ng opisyal sa GTPS. Siya ang nagapangulo kag nagadesisyon sang estratehiya kag direksyon sang pulisya. Naga-report siya direkta sa Minister of Interior. Number 2, Deputy Director General assist the Director General in managing the GTPS, often overseeing specific areas like operation, administration, or like intelligence. So, amo dya ang alalay kang Director General. Siya ang nagabulig sa GTPS kag kasagaran nga nagatutok sa party kang pareho sang operasyon. Then number 3, department heads lead various specialized departments within the GTP such as criminal investigation, intelligence, special operations, traffic, border control, cybercrime, public relations. Number 4, regional provincial commanders lead police forces in specific geographic regions responsible for implementing GTPS policies and managing local law enforcement operation. So, ang number 4 nga is amo dya ang mga darasang pulis sa tagsa ka reyon. Sila ang patuman sang pulisya sang GTPS sa local nga label kag nagamanage sang operation sa lugar. Number 5, Present Station Commanders supervise police officer at the local level managing daily operations, responding to calls for service, and investigating minor crime. So, ang number 5 nga amo dya ang mga hepe o kon istasyon sang pulis sa barangay o kon syudad. Sila ang nagatutok sa adlaw-adlaw nga bulahaton, nagaresponde sa tawag sang serbisyo kag nagaimbestigar sa mga gamay nga krimen. Then number 6, police officers, the backbone of the GTPS, responsible for patrolling, enforcing laws, responding to emergencies and investigating crimes. Amo dya ang gulugod o kon haligi sang GTPS. Sila ang nagapatrol, nagapatuman sang layi, nagaresponde sa mga emerhensya, kag nagaimbestigar sang krimen.
Type of police in Saudi Arabia. First, we have the Saudi Security Police. The first type of police is the General Security Police, often called Shorta in Saudi Arabia. They are responsible to maintain peace all around the country. Their uniform is color black and the car is black and white. Kung makita natin sa picture, amor ng anda nga sarakyan, kag they are responsible to maintain peace all around the country. The second one is we have the Saudi Traffic Police. The second most common type of police in Saudi Arabia is the traffic police, generally known as Moror. As the name suggests, the primary responsibility of this police is to maintain the traffic flow by ensuring compliance with the traffic rules. Then ang anda nga uniform is color BG, and then ang karnanda is white and mint color. Samtang responsible to maintain the traffic flow. The third one, we have the Saudi Religious Police. The Religious Police in Saudi Arabia, officially known as the Committee for the Promotion of Virtue and Prevention of Vice, also called Mutawa or Hayya, are responsible for enforcing Islamic codes of conduct. While they once wielded significant power, their authority has been reduced under current leadership and they are now less active. Ang andang uniform mo ang white tobe. Then, ang cars nanda mo ng white and mint color. Sandaman tra ang responsible for enforcing Islamic codes of conduct. The fourth one, we have the Hajj and Umrah Special Forces. The Special Forces for Hajj and Umrah is responsible to maintain security in Masjid Al-Haram, Makkah, and Masjid Al-Nabawi in Medina. They are responsible to protect the entry and exit gates of both and masjids. Their uniform is color gray, black, and mint, and their car is color white and mint color, same sa may Saudi Traffic Police. Sandaman tra ang responsible to protect the entry and exit gates, ang Hajj and Umrah Special Forces. Diplomatic Security Special Forces are the type of police who is responsible to protect the diplomats, embassies, and consulates in Saudi Arabia. You will find them in front of any embassy consulate. Ang andang uniform is color BG and dotted brown. And then ang sarakyananda, kung makita natin sa may picture, white and coffee color. The sixth one, we have the Saudi Royal Guard. Saudi Royal Guard is special police trained to protect the royal family, House of Saud, and the presidents and prime ministers of different countries visiting Saudi Arabia. Ang uniform na nanda is color black. Ang car nanda is color black man gyapon. Sandatra ang responsible to protect the royal family. Then we have the Saudi Secret Agency. Secret Agency is generally known as Mabahit in Saudi Arabia. It is responsible to deal with domestic security and counterintelligence. They don't wear any uniform and they don't drive any special cars. Sanda man tara ang responsible to deal with domestic security and counterintelligence. Kumbaga sa atin sanda ang mga intel or intelligence. The last one, we have the Saudi Armed Forces. Saudi Army has a standing force of 125,000 troops, which serves both as a defense force against external attack and as an internal security force. Although it is not type of police in Saudi Arabia, we believe that this article would be incomplete without mentioning the Saudi Armed Forces.
Police qualification and training. Eligibility criteria. Must be a Saudi Arabian citizen. Must be between 18 and 30 years old. Age requirements may vary by department. Must be at least a high school diploma. A bachelor's degree may be required for higher positions. Physical fitness test. Must pass a physical fitness assessment to evaluate strength, endurance, and agility. Written exams. Must complete written exams covering law enforcement procedures, ethics, and relevant laws. Next is interviews. Must participate in an oral interview to assess communication skills and overall suitability. Background check. Must undergo through background check to ensure no criminal history. Medical examination. Must pass a medical examination to confirm good physical and mental health. Training academy. Must attend a police training academy for specialized training in law enforcement practices, firearms handling, defensive tactics, and etc. Probationary period. Must complete a probationary period to assess performance and suitability in real-world situations.
Police Agency Performance. The GTPS is the primary law enforcement agency in Saudi Arabia. It is responsible for maintaining public order, investigating crimes, and enforcing laws and regulations. The GTPS is a centralized organization with headquarters in Riyadh and regional offices in each of the country 13 province. So, ang GTPS ang mga panguna nga ahensya nga nagapatuman sang lahi kang Saudi Arabia pagminter sa kataway kag kaayunan sang publiko, pag-imbestigar sang krimen, kag pagdakop sa mga kriminal, kag pagtuman sa mga lahi kag regulasyon, and isa sa sentralisado nga organization nga may headquarters sa Riyadh kag may opisina sa 13 ka probinsya sang Saudi Arabia. The General Directorate of Public Security, or GTPS, has a wide range of responsibilities including patrolling public areas and responding to emergencies, investigating crimes and apprehending criminals, enforcing traffic laws and regulations, issuing passport and other identity document services, providing security for major events and government facilities. The GTPS is also responsible for enforcing Islamic law in Saudi Arabia. This includes enforcing dress codes, preventing public displays of affection, and ensuring that business are closed during prayer times. And the GTPS is a modern and well-equipped police force. It has access to state-of-art technology and equipment, and its officers are trained to the highest standards. The GTPS is also committed to community policing and working with the public to prevent crime and build trust. The Director of Public Safety controls all police forces and reports to the Minister of the Interior. The two administrative under the public safety are the criminal investigation section and the identification of files section. So, amo ang darawa criminal investigation section para sa mga investigasyon sa mga krimen. And pangarawa, identification of files section, nag-asikaso sang records kag dokumento. Then, Saudi Arabia has 10 prisons which operate under the Bureau of Prisons that is separate from the Public Safety Department. Police responsibilities include the administrative duties relating to maintaining order, the judicial function of reporting and investigation, and having assistance to the citizens. The Director of Public Safety controls all police force and reports to the Minister of the Interior. So, may pulo ka prisuan ang Saudi Arabia nga ginapadalagan sang Bureau of Prison. Sa kaayon siya ang lain sa GTPS, ang mga pulis may papel man sa administratibo nga buluhaton, pagbilin sa mga kahilwayan, judicial function, pag-report kag mga investigar, kag ang last is pagbulig sa mga pumuluyo kung may kinahanglanon o kung problema. Thank you very much.